In this video, I'll share 7 ways people make money using their cars. Yes, you can turn your car into a money-making machine instead of letting it sit in the driveway or in the garage, sucking money from your bank account, paying insurance, repairs, and maintenance. You can easily make your car work for you starting as early as right now. Like anything in life, the amount of money that you make depends on you. If you take it serious, the money that you can make can be life-changing and can easily retire you from your regular job or launch you into a new business. Most of the strategies I'll discuss here can be done at your spare time and you don't need to quit your current job, so the risk of starting is very low. Number 1 on my list is transporting people and goods. With this option, you are looking for a market that is currently not being served or one that is ripe for disruption. Consider specialized transport, such as transporting senior citizens, pets, or goods that require specialized transportation or care. A few years ago, a friend of mine started providing transportation for people going to medical appointments using his car. Today, that non-emergency medical transportation business has grown to over 20 vehicles and employees, making millions of dollars. Moving on to the second way to make money with your car: provide delivery services. With this option, the delivery service company provides the customer orders and you are the driver using your car to make the delivery. You can sign up with the delivery service providers like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart, Jumia Food, Hello Food, or Mr. Delivery, or one in your own country. Some people use their cars to deliver medical supplies to pharmacies or hospitals. As you can see, there are lots of choices available for you to choose from. So pick one that works best for you. Most of the delivery service companies are concentrated in one or few countries at the moment. So if there is no dominant player in your own country, you should consider starting one. The third way to make money with your car is car rental. Yes, you can rent out your car and compete with the big boys. Many people now rent out their cars to others through peer-to-peer car rental platforms like Turo, Getaround, Move, Rent My Ride, Gigi, Cargo, among others. One time I wanted to drive a Tesla, so I rented one from Turo and had so much fun driving it for a few days. The best part about renting your car through these peer-to-peer platforms is that the people who rent your car will drive themselves around while you stay at the comfort of your home, watching your favorite sport or TV show, waiting for cash to be deposited in your bank account. What a life! Ride sharing is the fourth way to generate some cash using your car. If you have a car in decent shape and meet the requirements, you can become a ride-share driver for platforms like Uber, Lyft, Bolt, InDriver, Little Cab, Mara Ride, Free Now, or Ola, just to mention a few. Ride sharing works if you don't mind driving around with strangers in your car. I've used both Uber and Lyft many times and the drivers enjoy the flexibility of choosing when to work. The demand for ride-sharing service is growing in many countries around the world. Moving on to the fifth way to turn your car into a money machine: advertisements. Some companies pay car owners to wrap their cars in advertisements. It's a passive way to make money. Who cares if your car is someone else's billboard if they are paying you money? Some of the players in this industry include companies like Repify, Carvertise, Sticker Ride, Branded Riders, Ads on Wheels, or Mobile Rep. Research the company before signing up with them. Check their online reviews and track record with car owners. Here is a warning for you. Scammers defraud a lot of people using car rep schemes. Be careful whenever you receive a call or an email solicitation, because 99% of the time it's a fraudster on the other side. I have witnessed this during my past life as a fraud investigator. Please don't fall for these schemes. The sixth way to make money with your car is by joining a car sharing club. Car sharing clubs allow members to use each other's cars for a fee. This can help offset the club members' cost of owning the car by having another member use it whenever they are not using the car. Car sharing clubs are a growing trend catering for people's evolving transportation needs. They focus on affordability, convenience, and environmental responsibility. These clubs are challenging the way we think about accessing and using cars in the future. Your car can be part of that revolution. Last but not least, the seventh way to make money with your car is by offering tow services. This works if you live in a tourist destination. You can offer guided tours or transportation services to the visitors and charge a good fare. Tourists generally pay higher fares than locals and are more inclined to give tips if you provide legendary service. There you have it, 7 ways to turn your car into a business making you money. Before implementing any of these strategies, it's important to consider the legal and regulatory requirements, tax implications, and insurance coverage related to renting, sharing, or using your car as a business. Also, ensure that your car is well maintained and meet the safety standards to provide a positive experience for your renters, passengers, and customers. By using these approaches, you can turn your car from a money pit into an income-generating asset. Who knows? Maybe your car can be the genesis of a full-fledged business. My friend did it, you can too. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.